This is my aeroplane. It's called the Hawk. Sometimes it goes into a different direction according to the wind. It can go very far if you go into the wind's direction. I got the design from Galt Paper Planes. I made it myself though, and I got the paper from Galt Paper Planes. So let's see what this paper plane can do. Oh, that happens when you go into the opposite direction of the wind. So first step is to fold it on the long side. Look at this, and then you unfold it. Then you fold a triangle here, and same on the other side. Look at this, and then we fold the corner on the top to the bottom, but not to the very bottom till here. And then we fold all of this like this. And our next step is to fold the top triangle again like this. And to do it on the same on the other side. Look like this. And then you fold the whole thing in half like this. You hold it down. And we open it like this. And do it like this, and we open it a bit like this to look like this. And our next step is to do this. And this is how it looks like. And that's it on how to make the Hawk. Please subscribe and like my videos.